Krumjari SKTV and Group of Punuputaram Cherry, NONGTHOMBAM. Welcome to the Manipur Files, a journey through the past, present, and the future of Manipur. How kiba February tang taraga humdoida Manipur da president's ke rule in the form of suspended animation of the assembly. Thamgrabam matung sida masib welcome to boina MLA tara. Miyamna kukizo MLA zo haina ba MLA tara gi maikidigi press release ama ngarang si tholai haiba press release da marwaina haiba assembly bu suspended animation da thambasi bu acknowledge to baga lorana government India na yam thuna comprehensive oiba political gi road map ama lambi ama soidana political gi oiba lambi ama soidana adu su comprehensive oiba haidi element khodimak loini yawba adu makal gi lambi ama soidana semakani haiba lambi si peace amadi justice shanti amadi justice aseng achu mobile pin na bagi adu makal gi road map wage to bani adubu yam interesting oiba di makha ba habasi under a negotiated settlement negotiated oiba settlement amagi makha da hai aduna negotiated settlement je kaino icham cham English ki wahira yang matam da no it is not a normal English term masi magi oiba tongan ba connotation like legal term oiler me hai batam se kaya is a legal document that outlines the terms of agreement reached by two parties and ye marakta yana ki ba terms of agreement yaw badu makal ki legal document ni it means negotiated settlement am already layer bra have you wang dama swala hai keno da under a negotiated settlement yana ki ba amagi matungina comprehensive political roadmap amma soidana lagani have ki thazaba phongdorei sibo dum yari adubu sidagi hena phaba haiba targadi time bound oiba matam yamna matam amagi akang matam amagi manungda koigi hai Manipur da hujik lairiba 21 months helabi irang sina solaba Manipur gi miyam maruina IDP singna wari mayam singa si kohnaba time bound oiba thabak su soina pakala ki habagi thajaba thami habagi wafam ahum khakse tentakna thamai suspended admission bu acknowledge toba loina hairiba comprehensive political roadmap ama lakani habagi thajaba phongdokpa ama aduga awaba tareba IDP amadi miyam gi damakta thabak khara soidana time bound oiba merda torkani habagi wafam ahum se yaw badum makal ki press release ama khangni press release ki makhada MLA tara ki signature yawi as usual mang diaw ki rumaina ko ki scan copy kumba adu makal ki signature ngaktani adu live of what kind of political roadmap kar makal ki roadmap no mamang da makoina tan ki ba demand me am do yaw bo gaduri bra kaino the comprehensive hai boyam su yawri comprehensive political roadmap under a negotiated settlement hai bi wapam se lakpani na kar makal ki political roadmap no have matang sida khana nenu tum tang si SKTV ke studio election labor basi coordinating committee on Manipur integrity COCOMI ki convener KHURAIJAM ATHOUBA hamtada ATHOUBA taram nokcheri welcome to the show appreciate you joining also joining us NAORIYA PAKHANGLAKPA assembly constituency ki hanagi MLA oja RK Anani oja ANAND busu taram nokcheri welcome to the show appreciate you joining too and also joining us senior journalist oja hongsang MOBI ni oja MOBI su taram nokcheri welcome to the show appreciate you joining too han basi oja MOBI ga open to jage oja MOBI kamai ni yang BBI kan ma makhal gi political roadmap no hari se wapam yam kitang daisi oi ba gadra sensitive oi ba wapam ani kha yawi comprehensive hai ba wapam sima comprehensive political roadmap adugo loselak pada negotiated settlement haidi yana ki ba party ni ke marti yana ki ba terms of agreement yaw ba legal document ki matungina hai ba thong mayam se roadmap se champion kan have wapam mathami kamai yeng bi
hoi hujik lai film se hana de ki khardi hongi hai batai hana lerami si koi cookie leader sai tare ko cookie jo council ki kangbu adagi IT ki natraga koto ki whatever mogi laiba organization me amdi tongan ngam leader sing haisi political solution ama khoi in the form of separate administration si yaudana khoi atopa amata wari sabai phim su to he to ro he mo hana de ki hai lakpune adubu ngasi se aina kanogi cookie jo council ki chairman Helian thanglet aiba male maga national channel amaga interview amaga sutare aduga press release su thengnare adigi ate su khara yawre se lai di wari sabai abugi room amadi mo hujik thamme haiba tare wari sabai sida mogi condition adu dun tonga mam jakre ko wari sabai stage ma la ibanina wari sarga solution propuna tana solution jita amto poroi sida koi khoji mangna adum yabena bchange ba right sai da khoni yeng bayar si world cookie jo intellectual council hai mom sulai mogi cookie jo kangbu sigi makhoina matam khargi mangda khoi January 15 da hai ko Manipur ki governor da khoi memorandum amasupi madusu jiki separate administration ki posi amjani yawi aduga moina masidi da policy Article 3 of Indian Constitution gi matung inna khoi 1946-47 adwai de gi hongna khoi cookie jo khoi world cookie jo intellectual council sina separate administration ji matam du gi prime sem ko gi Jawaharlal Nehru tanru lai hai si gi makha chathabo ina Kuki National Assembly nam tawre adi Kuki MP Manipur tawre adi Kuki State Demand Committee na smaina matha ong tawdigi iroi lobida keno UPF na tawbuni hana palle hoi madu hana piram bayai nong na semkalak po bia manu tonga mom chakre demand ama tawre demand ji kanana bigadam no koi na tiri si center ne di bigadam ni adugo center ne pibas da article 3 si mukhar kupni yengba matamda koi gi karigumba state amagi boundary hongtong in doba adigi state to de to state ama semba maming hongba natraga karimu khara changes darkar le yeng khalagadi madugi poto chenari ba haigadra madu mari nei na state government degi kari haitare koi information ama moi degi khara logo na have ma yawuse hojikti PR lairabanina everything is suspended state government the leramba power sing accept ayam loi suspend tawre koi speaker lokthokpa yaroi lokthokpa yai ba ka lokthokpa yaroi marak sida aduga loi suspend taw yawre ba adedi sigi suspend sit tawre english da sigum bigi hoje negotiated settlement haiba potu la agadi madusu part ama oirpa yaba ki lebra se kana gumba khangai sinabadi koi ngarang han koi kanona president ki proclamation da suspend mayam tawridna ko makha da sirid ma yarsi kana haitare my londa is so much the provision in exercise of the functions and powers assumed to myself by virtue of clause A of this proclamation as aforesaid it shall be lawful for me as President of India to act to such extent as I think fit through the governor of the said state. The operation of the following provisions of the Constitution in relation in that state is hereby suspended. Sigi suspend was the Article 3 of the already Article 3 already could Jammu and Kashmir to give the mina, could states the Parliament of Tokyo, Hong Tokyo, whatever they want to have state government, state cabinet, assembly, the Madugi, Kanar Uga room door. Aduma kai yaw mo loi dawra ne hoji lai ji PR la akan da khoi da ani thong ni ho yar si executive powers na president loi bai re law making powers na parliament bai dong ne adu ji khoi state government ji only order in magi state executive khatang ai ho le adu su through governor gi ga da president direct tok dong ne an se gi pibam se da khoi na khajitang khara section na haitare ko yamna city normal order ni na khanma na taba normal order di oiba ado su normal orders ne khoi effect hol aiba pose saibok solo bu yai su da khoi khanman jange ado orgadi akhoi na pamina hojik sidi ha na ge dumai na di yamna wa ngang na bada wari saba ya da ta ba ya da potu di oidrabani na ai khoi gi nakan gi di provocative oidraba khoi yamna political loina karmaina torga moizi handle dogodagi wari sagadagi aduga khoi gi negotiated table da por kadagi havena singbodo madugi room ma thibada khari hana kok tha da chungada ba male adu warigadi khoina pami ba potu da lakbada idea damna lunen thajade ana sigi pibam si laibya na ba khoi gi laibiri ba khoi gi kare haitare khoi sidi yam yami dana moyidi Kuki jo Conventional Council na everything ji
apex
oi rebo akhoi gi di apex thibe de hoji thaba moi rebo
right
adu sigi posting ji nga akhoi na kitang haisina khong thang draga di khudung thinai area khar de mak hoji su lai re na ban tham jage
okay ozana dalak ozana laiba press release de yam phajana yam civil oi mong da drop to ba makhal gi press release oi masri de provocative oi ba wahi amata di yaude adubu lakchani mafam di masi yamna unprovocative oiba yamna peace pamba adu makhal gi press release oin ubibra kaino da mamang da mi gitang trama 2023 da separate administration demand tawgre within 7 days numit training irang hobu matung numit training manung da mokoina separate administration tanba hograbni hairi pa MLA tarajina august ke tang taraga taruk 2023 maksida mo tongan ba chief secretary tongan ba DGP PBU haibagi demand to hibo kanguni aruga october ke tang trama 2024 da akhoi naga maite kuki ohum MLA singi wari sana matam du su wari sana loro matung da akhoi di thoidong wari sana ngalaite akhoi gi demand di ngasai gi su group singa center ga wari sana ri bidara makoina taleba demand do mado khoi loin support to yana hai gi buzu le ha tare aduna ngasi drop tori ba che yamna positively yengbe abrak mai thambel
Sigi aigondadi sima ki drafted hai tare ko drafted sidadi yamna hena provocative oi bawa fam yauna udroga su sai initial keno da say negotiated settlement na wafam panbado plus the comprehensive political roadmap in a lakh panina what is going to be the roadmap political roadmap is kari no say akhoi yam kun na na sang ka rain khali negotiated settlements se kana ga tonu the stakeholder ri akhoi ni manipur kai ba pam da manipur gi ancestral land se preserve toroga defend toroga lakhi si akhoi mayam budi lo yaumine du major community se mai ti oi hariba ada akhoi gi stakeholder da mayam sing to ka stakeholder mayam tanar kan da akhoi na hairedi manipur kansi noi leminasi noi su part of manipur ni akhoi loirmo manipuri ni sidai da manipur thugai no ba any step log se whether any community any tribe natra kari hairi me amsan hai tare ko mase maram chadi because say for instance cookie jo community na ngasi claim there is the absolutely baseless na hai tare ko politically it has no foundation moi kamai to no moi na claim to do na wa from am historically am clear we ba pot ne ba assume nam fu toroga that is being the reason hai tare aduna reason oraga ngasi terrorist ki mayam am mating loroga terrorist ki oiba terrorism oiba act mayam activities toroga force ta india government da na khoi ki conscience ta khoi da khoi ki pangal da singna ga moina nam na muni gai ba si mayam am khong thang jal ine ba to which ai khoi na defend tawni khoi na protect tawni government of india na protect om thoi da government of india na moi ki pressure tactics da ga sakam daw tar ga I don't see any political map, comprehensive political map. Say, ude hariba. Are even negotiated settlement is a kari oido. I di koi si yamna wa keno di koi yam clear cut keno ne koi na thamse maru in Meitei community dagi dagi keno dagi koi Manipur bu kan ba pam ba kahan ba pam da mayam sing thamse di yam clear cut oi rank khale asi koi the idea of Manipur se kari no hai lemin na ba hingmin na ba duni adu masida machin magai ta na koi masin thugai na nung sina na tori me am sing sidi koi tolerate tore na political tolerate to thok te to chu to bum thok te hai bani adu na si wa pham me am sing sia koi loi la khat rain khali adu na ai gi di moi na han gi MLA sing si mathak te unbecoming of a member of a house side MLA oi gi state ki integrity ki peace ki development ki me am sing sidi gi move to raga hai tare Manipur thugai na ba dagi irang thona na ba khoi masin nungsina na ba yes because of them also hai tare moina maram khoi so hana rak pane nei maina blame to ne ba I'll fix this responsibility the tumina laisali ba tacit support of pirbe india government se blame to ne ba idi ade da boy pun brai ba pham sine ba khoi yam kada nei na hugudap se se ngai oza movin sai ba article 3 gi proviso do suspend to ba khot pa me am so hoi technically ngor di adai da kari tro ya ge maru in PR la aka da kari tro ya ge wa phun siam ne ngai way though we brush aside at adumba Kashmir ta 370 a broget ta it was a temporary provision in like koi Manipur gi di koi historically well defined boundaries ta ga koi idia da sisit ta gi ne aduna sigum wa phum la ka da di koi merger agreement protect wa phum am slave ba in the event of that merger agreement being violated ko madu tor ka da koi Manipur will stand sovereign nahi se Manipur ning ka tamne wa pham se international or ya pone khoi loi adai da stick tor kane ba adai da di that there is going to be high tariffs irai lai India government khoi ro bodu to do madu the whole available do madu India government will not be able to face
okay
cookie jo igera mo igera moina pa momong do puno hon na India government hijack to no hon ba adegi kari haini moigi geopolitics ki interest side sidaga koi Meitei di sacrifice to biya bi chang adum nu laga de moi di to biya di moi commercial interest na hai tare ko mining gi adegi keno gi Myanmar gi kari mayam politics geopolitics hai tare le world gi hong e politics adegi India gi interest kai taro ko koi Meiteis will be sacrificed, your lands will be sacrificed, your resources will be sacrificed. That kind of I couldn't to me late to them not having it. I don't know. Moina just proposal of my about in the lighter sense that it's okay. Moina haibido kara hands but have they changed? Moigi masai khoi gi keno na rajna pangiba 2023 ki May gi same month hai gi ba tu makhatar separate administration
DGP
the DGP
chief
secretary hapa
very recently mamang chegi October ki
October have they really changed it have they really changed it if they haven't changed it krai don't know road maps I don't find any solution I was udeba peace lakta di mo should stand kra khoi hai gi myam do khoi retract tori ba har su adu de kitang khoi soften tong de bu sa hai yam clear mention do change ba what about tomorrow hay not ro mo na union mo gi district ma mo gi khoi meiti sin cleansing ethnic cleansing da khoi meiti gi le min na bi adre valley de settle da khoi hai di keno we didn't say it apoi lau keno lai keno hujik se lai ba myam yaw ri na apoi du kanong tan to da khoi gi Sanpur da mori da jiri bam da myam so why they haven't kai do we na mo they haven't driven away apoi lam ni keno Manipur is our land and we have more legitimate rights to claim. Maitina, we have more legitimate rights to claim over every nook and corner of this state.
Right.
Natra, I don't know, see me answer the home black tragedy. See papers, just a paper, it has no meaning. I wanted to do I filled away.
Okay, just a paper, no meaning. Adubu, Sreda Yamna, provocative oiba, wapam amata diaw de apabangata ibu di Mali, adubu apabasi marum the kari oigatagi, Kenoda. Political road be mama thuna lakpa yai comprehensive oiba ma hairaga hayeng jina kuyi cookie zo council hari apex body gi rally yama kuyi cookie zone khunaba Manipur gi district khudimakta and also Delhi NCR the su yawgani hai rally se adu rally gi mami ke heta peaceful rally for immediate political solution for cookie zo rally gi mami zo duni adi immediate solution lagna ba cookie zo gi damakta aduga kari solution hai na colon pirga hai separate administration Union territory with legislatures in Mawin Hariba solutions. Masiki the Montani Haying Chatru release. Therefore, as Rita Garang Tadriba, MLA Taragi, press release it a provocative over Camp to Yautragasu, Dimana Singma Camp to Utrapatargasu, Mayexing at Maktabra, Hum Dunia to Gangasing and Simas Atoblasam Atobasu, State Sigi, Governor Eke Balaga, Unarubagi, Pausulere, Adudakugi, separate MSing demand to Ripa, Myanmar refugees in the Kamaina Government Indiana. Mahogi demand se pigi dorbe no madu center ki miyeng da maram chaba man batar ga su Manipur ki miyeng deri madu anti state ni habi wa hamna singma thamki belai kamai yem wi press release
sigi press release do budi ras yamna moina precise over statement pandamani na hum yaw da bani na koina yaw ka henjana speculation to bu su phatin khale
right
hana mamang da budi Mamangi press statements in Yenguragadi, they were very clear on whatever they want to express. But clear when expressed or Manina, under clear electricity, maybe they are also trying to find a middle ground. Chinanaba, Honor positively Yang, Yaina Kale. Adu Yang Matunda, Makoina further Kamaina Masi proceed or Kahabdu, Koinadum, Adugipo to Dingai by until unless it's confirmed. Koina overhyped or Mundi. Adu toru dagi mo shu overprotective ocean gidana mayam na lan sum speculate oxaluragadi and madu taw da positively dum moina sida specific pandrabani na of course moigi hanagi as political roadmap ama pu ama to have dum moigi aspiration do din reflect tawjai tawraga su comprehensive political roadmap for peace and justice have say
yes
justice has lakan the justice can be seek only from the court of law natra Justice at the Hundedi Pangum Justice Yakomasen Yana, Justice PVD, we talked there. Mam Tana Kadoshi, conventional in a lady bar, established legal can do the court to the Laktam never. I do the Lakan the it cannot be favoring any of the my quantum of my merit aga justice will lack in and adu target the adugi part amasumo in a palivnina peace and justice hirimnina see them swice the positive and lower it's very good and when a mashigi moderate or state with them tole say masip but further how are you going to proceed have you do yeng changi and hiraga thambamaga
okay
matam kitang yeng bama changi and khale aduga on the other side nahana pangriba hoji moina date 18 da rally chakani hai sigi se akoi amtang yeng biyo ko Manipur gi state assembly na since akoi now 2001 gi matam du de damo several times house na unanimously decision low say several times now Manipur gi state ki integrity territorial integrity see at any cost must compromise to go ya de to roidam ne have se tum ya low ne ba so that's a legal position adugi legal position sigi against the state sigidagi machet phaga khogi lampiu na haiba claim to buse masi India government gi meeting da anti national oim da budi ya ba adu ekhogi meeting da di anti state oim thokta bra Manipur gi state ki meeting da di anti state oim thokta bra sigi arguments ne ba koina governor da su price to jari se mun namta khanbiyo state ki assembly na several time low raga lai raba position namas habase state assembly represents the whole population of the state adu mayam dugi mandate ne moin low position je adu position to the group kharam tholaga against that position low pai se it becomes obviously anti state adu tade adu gi anti state labor poch se sigum se koi discourage tausi encourage togumsi have se koi ai family thamjaram bane aduna aduma lere atopa mana hoji taman su thamgi dumai na issue se bi moina ngasi sidai da moina political road map ama or political demand ama political solution ama haiba wahi ma moina pira ise karai degi emerge toroke kamaina masi gi trigger se karai di loki ge illegal village me amma lay have state already acknowledge identified or list thokram ni ahal bada 996 to ako bada 1500 26 list of villages illegal villages village we later ba maming di panjala thama ba beneficiaries me am welfare schemes me am the draw option ba transformer ko khille thamba ko gi low sangam da tawbe transformer ki jan thamani that becomes a village recognize the what ba mem ta da ba adu abya cha cha thawai yaw na de da kuning da unaraga kaino how ka bizare haraga dum
skill law no hona ba ba village mami
mai to roga losalamaga chuja khawani purla aga phau saba myam su lei ko whatever adu gi administrative sagi flows myam lei gi to adu mo factor myam dun maram oiraga village di lei khre hare village is unrecognized illegal village lising ama hen le ra ne ba sigi le re pochi state na at some point of time madu gi against the action khra sang eviction drive to re illegal immigrants detect or right. Sigi pochi those people affected groups they don't have a good reason to go to the court and challenge it atopa darbar resolution ka pai badi moi court ka satpane moi chatle ba adu hujiki illegal village da eviction toruba forest encroachment da eviction toruba illegal immigrants detect toruba sa sida din moi court cha thakai lambi da thola ba right lambi da thola ga moina circumstance create tore adu so haijabane first instance yeng bio combat dress set pa automatic rifle pa bana rally du yoroga kangbai da lakshali ne attack toksale ine ba adu tawra kanda adu matung da gi retaliation la khre sona kan da gi once that retaliation started there is a cycle of revenge ama the revenge tong na ba cycle of revenge sa khre adu ai di everything all logic all conscience everything pura chaos oi khre adu ai du yeng no but initial du yeng biro adu ngasi di adu tawraga cycle of revenge changra kan da di narrative to moina narrative build up tawre adu circumstance na ai koi si Imphal dagi completely ethnic cleanse tawre genocide chathare moi akoi le minang amroi ar akoi gi political solution ba separate administration bibiu haidna yamna logically hek thalong ta da man ba mong da yam phajana conclude tawre hai tare ar adu gi push tawre ba agenda se India government na 21 months khangna una khanga yeng ga complicit oi thoga sum masi push to hon base sum prolong to hon base swai sida ne bai khoi da lai problem di akoi di moina demand to ba whatever to do to no moi demand to re yare ba but government di silo ubom thok tro government should be the government should take decision on the basis of truth on the basis of justice adudal wale blow da budu larger moi gi oi ba vested interest to in decision lo ni har padagi akoi ga government gi mar to chauba distrust tam la khrap adu distrust to dissolve tong na bane jo khoi lang na ri we have never paid any attention to tackle the cookie separatist group hai jage because there are certain group of people whole population do ko hairugum se ko hairi sigi group se onjan na moi ga khoi khana ba launa ba adu khoi nongta khoi attention pi de ba khoi attention pi di responsible government do ne government na kari no tawri sa business adu na ngasi khoi na governor do so price to jari si hairi ba whole issue si mun ne yeng biu kadai do no tawri se khoi gi we have no agenda we have no objective to keep on involving in this conflict in this crisis sida khoi na chongjan na irang joksel lu na bagi khoi ge agenda am ta leite du khoi Manipuri sing na maru na indigenous population na taliba hairi poti ga no India government the pursue to isi ga no fencing hasn't be have fencing of international border is completely at the national interest national security interest ne khoi hairi se immigrant detect illegal immigrant detect United States is doing, Europe is doing, entire world is doing.
Right.
Why don't we do that? Adu this issue national interest na tro. Issue national interest ni. Then changjan lagal lai greba singsina makoi ki existence to as per the established law to citizenship hangne hai. Refugee jang khibani 1960 matung dolo jang khibani. Burma Refugees Association Manipur hai. Association le ram till 1970s pok le ram.
Right.
Adu group mayam duna India government pursue to settlement PB ro ko sile again to have the citizenship eki matung ina pire. But how could they become the indigenous population again? Then how could they claim their new settlements as their ancestral land? Refugee in a laga, refugee settlement PB ro citizen you don't be iron but na lahella matung the ancestral land hairagadi. Where is the logic? Madu India government na tabam thokta logical or the bra have cinema. Simak ay do masi sun thamjaram bane. On a high basiki chronic or issue khara mane suddenly hadak magi Pibamna, the circumstance that Tanzal or Chongjan give issue Karamne, Adu combined or Poxy, a quite holistically Yangaga. Result of Honasi, elements in Doka Kandoxi, elements into the Quena surgical strike or the Adu majority of the major problems in Ayamba, 80% low in Neva. Aduka Kona Lakpa, genuine noble grievances, let them be. That can be, you know, in so many ways. Adu the Quena,
right.
Aduna, Sagi Quigi Cookie Saiti MLA Tarana Pukaleba Mogi statements, Masi Hojibogi Wenadi, Moishu Yamna, and Omada.
Right.
Unbiased or provocative way the Monda, Tolenas or Quedum Lorisi, Adu Masi Kanana. Masi kana kanano si the party we do yamna can over critical work who's going to be party in this comprehensive political roadmap talking out this comprehensive political roadmap.
Okay, adu can we say press note the press release da dumak makoina request or bisi adum government of India da adum appeal to we have tare appeal to bisi the government of India yam tuna layout to birakani a comprehensive political roadmap for peace and justice under a negotiated settlement se han yanaga boy bisi ai natraga nauna yanaba party ani na yanaba do makalgi document am oiduni aduna negotiated settlement ama habni na yanana ba negotiation to obama natraga han already tawraga leira ba jala kaino da makogi civil society organization kharana already yanagi ba khara leira UT in the form of kogi separate administration in the form of UT kogi Ramana Karlay, Habi Wapam, press noticing, but document Kardum Tangaze, Adu change of heart, can with the stadium to Wapam Pali, suspended animation, Central Thamapaki, the sensible acknowledged that we have you Wapam Mahari. Sigi Mamang Pavadri, for example, December Tangtara, latest winner, 2024 December Tangtara, Dang, as I Hariba, signed Toriba MLA Tarasi, Jantar Mantarda, separate and UT, separate administration in the form of UT, Puducherry style Dana. Tangtara zida dharna tormimni adubu hujiktinga si irpu matam asim ba kem yaudre comprehensive hoy bhai di all encompassing punama ki oiba political roadmap PBU chief peace amadi justice ki damakta hai bagi opum se laya du IDP sing damakta concern phongdoi affected people myam kisu concern phongdoi chirida irrespective of any community kanam ta ki pan di hai tare change of heart se labra adusu February ke tang tarom doi February ke tang tarom doi mamang bukti ngasai ki same demand se da leramaga February ke tang tarom doi matung dagi kitang ola bra hai hom tuni adu ngasai ki article 3 ki kitang mi pai bi matang article 3 da koi maru ne yaw base koi state koi assembly ka tana bagi hom kem jaw de adu state assembly dagi opinion ama hang bagi wapum dilai reorganization bill lak matam opinion ama piba adu state legislation ma piga da bane to koi legislature se di suspend tor hai di assembly se di suspend tor lai bani na madu center dum loction ki wapum ne to even suspend tor dam tar ga so state legislature hingam tar ga so koina we have to remember one example 2014 da Andhra Pradesh ta ki Telangana khai dok matam da Andhra Pradesh ki assembly da koi parliament ki hai riba bill se da कोई legislation में आपसे ngasi की opinion da outrightly yaning da phongdo ki hai batare koi telangana khaido ko pamde hai na majority of the MLAs na hai batar ga su president na outrightly madu nazarandaz to roga madu kemda lak to bi mongdo to roga adum telangana khaido ki hai tare aduna ngasa ka article 3 du di koi legislative assembly se legira leroira koi president na toni momda dum to bi abagi phim mamadi mamangi president so ne dum lere adun lakchung mamde change of heart se labra hai bagi wahum dari jamu bi kwai change of heart lagta ra gadi ngasai gi hain cookie jo council gi di religious turi separate administration gi adu su union territory moi gi demand ga se hadi moi gi common slogan ga jam yam hek tare adu ta si hari me am si lo yaure cookie jo council apex body and also Su group UPF amadi kiano makoi adum ngasagi separate administration strict tawri, and now only the MLAs are going on a different way. Departure of Kuki 10 MLAs from their CSOs and Su signatories.
Hoji Maxi Koina Yingbayarisi MLAs in GD idea Manipur Ayamana. When you put a hygienic day,
okay,
Karab, the UGC and the can lay state kick and lay. I am an idea Manipur lay an aloe. Adubo gun culture geek and Omaka Modia Wang Lavenina. Moisi Manington at Havok Woodingham Day. At the Moy gets sense of hard like a cry de la Keda, Cookie Joe Council gets sense like was name. Cookie Joe Council, what is about the Mojo Saman and Yanning were put on from Dogrev. Masagi. Magi Cookie Joe Council, Siamega, what is about the Yaurisi, my Maggie Lam, the Hanjanavi posted La Cancellida, Man, Haibong, I coin Yimway. Yamna deeply, a coisi Swan Gravanina, Masi Heck Hanjan by Arrival.
Okay.
Say example, Trasamboda, Contavada, I coin a timbalate, but affected families, relatives, Macoina Carito, cutting up guaranteed on the every citizen. Security people who are having a Poland Yauri. I do it. A question someone ever. Kogi say Zivam da Imungamagi me Marie or Romaleko, Pulop Parga Taru or Parga Hakibus. I do give family to give me Duna could have Taroi Lamon Kumoy, you guaranteed on a moy. Sumana Nakan animal the Swana Javam do guaranteed on a moy on the map level. I look at Mana Waroba Man, but put on the Tolezi. 40 years high Tareko, autonomous district councils here. Matok to Honda, some time of Pose, Mapang and Peter was a Sikumo Posin and Moyang Waromise. She did their Kitang Matonga, Happy Ragapang and Peter Magamoji satisfied when I go to the May trees now. I call me Amzi, a Mukihana, Warohan, having a pull of Yauri. I do what get the PR Matamzi, Kitan Tendabra.
Karang lam targati.
Say Kanogi Mayam Toin Hanaba, SR Bomai versus Union of India 1994 case. At the year receive public order Karigati. A quick can also mere law and order not about public order Karigati PR Tambaya have Yauri. Matam do public order never carries. Not a me, Amasinaraba, the Yum Kai Mai Tadona, public order Kaira never. Like I get Canas and never give Huranji, Digivana table. I do Matam de PR talk, Tambira Magati. Yam Henzen Satina Sukari Bomamse, both communities, Mazi Handarum, Adorgadi, Tyson, but the Korean Larum and Kalev. At the Sanctuary is behind the Canasity of country, Karikari Levnoido. I think on a chief minister, high ex ministers, now designed only in Hamdromodo, just at the Tormogazu.
Yes, June Gitan Contra 2023.
I do the vote somewhat a minister we have people from Momale. I did say he am a panichil on Coton, I am a hello Marengo. Say I'm much on her Amnina, forcing Jason some hands and give it to never. I say, of course, you me, Actenidra, me is emotionally can running a can toning a, which you should so certainly the other day provocative, Marie Haganadina. When around you can Lama Isakuto, you might Tarena. Pouch the phone and don't know only to never. Emotional work with never. And the city point I see both communities like we over to never. I'm like quite where I was see among the my taste. Lament to Emadum like a dummy. Among the Joe cookies, lament to Emadum like never. City music is never never. Adubo, Manipur, Tugaiba, Palm the Bag, Cookie, Joe, Kambu, Malay has a quick out to what you mean. Say Paulina Hockey Maxi, a koi Mayamsina, quite again and white of a Higadra. Provocative Wangan is my Hinery. Even around hand, my do, even cookie, even a simple way with a separate give Tavis do hell. Martin quite the Hennegan or never. Spearheaded Higadra. I do Mammon, however, Chief Minister and Bidens in Manipur to give up Pambani higher. Example, Nico. I did to give up Pambani, higher than a margin to give up Pamamdava, Kuana Pamapa. I do the port guys or young women. I think Manipur government and local worry of the money, Yanida from the Posiam, Yaw. I do worry that the Moisi Manipur belong to the Heavy. Moimasana Yazari. And the city put me on here and Gandana, Mako Tayeva, a Koigi, Kanguna, Yam Haisina, handled the Hodragadi. I told you Tambirido. Pazanat, the Hodragadi, Moida, Mohena, Warohan, the Potom Laga, Hanifim the Halagadra, Hanifim and Kanas and Amsterdam. And the sea posit Tadanaba, was it Kitang Santi, where you kari tabu yage si civil society organization sing political leaders sing aduga government maruna government yaw dia ro his center le na center na tawtare aduga road map ai sidai da both communities na yaga da bom se mam jange natra moi kakti ki apena bhona ba ikoi ki pena bhona su yaroi aduga sai ran thambi ki under pradesh ki lakbudo adum da ga happy da hajiram ge
right
si kano tawdoi ne ba khoi ki parliament da khoi ki constitution amend tawdoi ne constitution amend taw kan state myam ki rectification ong lakane ba adu lakan da state assembly le regadi madu gi khoi na ngang na sangna ba ki kari mayam am yari ba
yes
state assembly le tram ne madu gi room su dum chole ba adu under gi du di achauba package ma ga loine na to buni na bihar su chama nagi jharkhand dokan do da kanana khoi gi lalu basana over my dead body hari ne ba jharkhand is state only on my dead body na adu ma su dum ya gi ba adu bu manipur ga do argen thami gi ba na manipur gi si tongan ba category ma da lebani na manipur khakte ne ba around 600 princely state merge to matam da legal document le horaga merge to rese manipur khakte ne ba
right
ate di legal document am te yaw de ba ada legal document lebani na khoi gi tongan ba sakti khra khoi gi pangan khra lebani na adu pangtok tok da ba yai adu magna khoi center gi leader sing na manipur gi integrity da compromise to rese many times high was mali adu ama khaka in last ta samjani na khoi gi MLA tara se sina manipur state assembly gi warep ki mayok to wanga ngose sidi house ki privilege di so warep ki mayok to wanga ngodi ade madu action lo log da ba du de house ki wani khoi high bidding amdre privilege so house na lo warep se la li have so ade court challenge do so ade adu ga moina madu gi mayok da thabuk to wajmadi house na kari mukra to bo chim ra hisim da so matang napsal lo bai tare go kudong chawal le ngi da ai thamja ge
okay house na mathau khara to haidi makhoi gi mathakta action khara lokhat pa tare tu huji phau gi oina di lokhat khidre hujik ti assembly su suspended animation da lere aduna suspended animation si hando khara matung da hando rokadra hando da have su yam chawba wahang dia dumak leinari mayam na hujik si makhara sang na thamaga dori bra koi manipur da peace se lehen gi haiba targa di masi tha taruk kum gi sang da thamning leibra haiba gi wapna simus mayam na dum speculate on wapna sing budi leiri adu within 2 months ki manung da parliament ta puthok ta targa di masam tan labs ta gujakra ga assembly amu revive tor pui wapna sing budi lei aduna center na kari pangwa tum haiba du di lakadru ben mit kharan sida adum ahong bu mayam di ubo yawi fim de lere aduna ojanan ngasai rally amadi sakaduri rally da rally gi decision city favor gi tang ni pan amadi tang tara mathu de loki ba decision ni kukizo council gi aduna aduga kugi president rule lak pasina tang tara hum do lai hatare adu so they have already decided on 8 and 11 February 2025 aduga makoi na taliba makoi gi common slogans of the play card igdab so moina sida happy mogi press note sida start discussing kukizo issue in parliament separate administration in the form of UT with legislature no solution no peace no border fencing justice or verdict of the Biren audio tapes ana sumaina mokoi gi play card ta igdaba slogan na singum yam yawi aduna sigi decision hana loction ul maram oraga hayeng si rally adum chatpa tabagi film oibibra otherwise after 13 February change of heart even in the civil society organization the sulai and also in the legislature sulai ni yam gibya
the change of heart se adune moina change of heart se lai de haragadi they have to be very honest they need to reach out not samaina to una ta ko mo rally hana plan tor magasu rally do suspend bi adagi moina hana lo gi decisions kar lai ko khoi di am the state ki integrity the future the existence the unity di am chau no kai ke da bam ya mama si myam sing si gi demand sing gi moina relent to bhai ka da ma do si ma dia khoi press to roi bu har so mo bu har so this should be made known to the authority which is PR khudong sab lo ri ne ba PR la ga the government of India will always favor them have a question ma kai no da they are working hand in hand khoi na khang da ma ya ma khut ting thong na ro moi khut san na chali si di sida de ba cookies are favored by the government of India have gi waklo moi da le ba si la lam bi that government of India must explain khoi kem yaw dia na the way they have been behaving the way they have been acting the way they have been dividing Manipur ko or say buffer zone or red zone whatever it is ko tawrage sidai da moina ngak sen na tawri sidi ultimately dangi keno me am security forces me am Manipur deploy kori me am sing sidi underground lo loiter circle tawrage loisin na bi oi tor not khoi ki conflict si resolve to na oi die ba that's what we understand we are made to understand Sine ba sigi India government the honesty say moina tawri khuding sida akhoi maitai sing na hai tare ne maitai sing na government of India se kyam thaja ga ga thajaro drive question se akhoi to lai bu jik cookie gidi they don't fight one another moi ama fight tau de no cookies have been used by the government of India to eliminate NSNIM and akhoi insurgents group hai ga liberator tawri me am se eliminate tawno by programming amne moi this is understood. There are a lot of writers who have mentioned this. Why cookies are used, they say. I think he say Hanagi politicians may Mariba Maming Muri Palure, one of the very Matanduki veteran MP ko. I think Yamna Maru Manipur major role or minister singing Matanda Kieno, Kiene, Miami Christians, Bukanagi, with the funding to me and the Canal was to eliminate NSNIM. Admai tawno mayam sing si makha sandar ko ngakta ibang ngasi tawri sidi si mayam sing si kamai na hana waroi silaga I gi point gi as a political ai thamar gadi si hana address to whatever negotiation whatever taw mayam si tawgada naturally adum laksane ba se su si kamai na hingan tham doi no su na moi loi protect hole all the terrorists mayam protect hole khulai hada phaglai mayam sing sidi PRC in a way oh ya koi do so iko PR se moi do jam so nga drai khale ba PR gi impact se mai da lai rai khale ba ko idea mai feel to we PR se sing na truthfully PR tawri me am se la le na ko jisam to cookie gi militants me am moi gi violators of the SU gi provisions me am sing to moi the action lo bo gi wafam am se la me da moi kitang hando je to ko su ma le ba ina u ba da ai khoi mai ti da su du gi affect lai tam na ti ko khul ngak pa gi ngak ta ba gi me am slay akhoi gi di moina hor pa gi akhoi na self defense ta wi ngak ta ni akhoi di ID justify ta ni our action will be justified at every level politically oigera socially oigera akhoi gi oin oigera aduna si me am sing the government of India has to come clean on this idea du ne ba du cookies ne moi ga lai na ri ba cookie leadership ka moi gi tentacles sai ta re mo ko chi am sang moi penetration sang world body da khang di net body da khang di bureaucracy da khang di ama da khang di politics da khang di lari me am sing se moi na sai si da khoi na mai tai dominate tong ni mai tai re khoi na hen effective when deal tong am ni diplomacy da khang di ama da politics da khang di tong ni ya du confidence to the moi na PR welcome to we are khoi di tong mu tong ni parliament the table to guide di I mean sai si da khoi na kari yeng bu ya ge se du di this 10 MLAs they have to come clean. Because kaino the assembly say moi matak action low ya de for the time being. Kaino suspend or tham ni na. Adugi moi the su kari hai ni safety kaino valve pa ma pi long ta we ba. Adugi pi bu ne moi ta ring ma tro kan they are being protected under the PR have question ba. Akoi the PR yam hen pam we was late see government the PR lakrisi it is its own making ni. Lady BJP 37 MLAs labor Mayam say for instance cookie mayam why they have deviated from this government. Matamam election 2017 gi moya district council election gi MLA gi election gi MP election mayam sing the funding tawraga paisa mayam piraga no yadu gi ni aragi ni mayam ma some pretext sama piraga madu pi gi mayam do no yakoi the support to koi government form to no political can consider to I do we not wrong. Government of India has to explain that to us. Atop to party ne nataba mayam documented ne ba moi own kenona khoi di congress di high di aduga moi BJP gi di khoi da khoi political demand mayam se consider to ne high rule se moi gi own kenona admission ne ba so is the why is India government silent si mayam se clear wer kanda si mayam se clear wer kanda si air se an clear to bio ba si clear to kanda anything si the wari bu sarsu sabu satrasu se suwana lo tho su so with the blanket protection period is soon ever. Why is it so? Government of India cannot see interest here. On the whole of Manipur geopolitics side are go. Oh, ya to pass me on Manipur gi kind of seen te am clear with sange ba koi machine sida nagaga koi buk divide tawre ari koi moiga koi live for na haida moiga koi conflict situation create wi de ko yam tactfully very maturely handle tong na gi matam da cookie ge tong kan di went out of control.
Right.
Everything went out of control. Chaos never got. Matam to the Canada Kari the way the reason sangi de human rights kasi ngasi bok the restore to ngamdri ba.
Right.
Adun Simian Singh say government of India needs to explain to us. I wonder they filter is ngasi it is their creation ngasi PR lakhandana tawriba birin lokthok panin loyai di madi he is forced to resign by the central leadership namon the dictator ga adu to wada to na adigi ba pressure me amam lay
अखोई नसु पामदब मैम माइ अहिन बराक मैम मासे सी मोइना थबक तौबद ngamdrena माइ पावर मैम सेंटर मुनबीब खोप मैम लेरगसु चीरि लेत्रगसु तसिना टेक ओवर तौबा दुग माइ सिगु तौबु ngamद मैम संग मरम अखोई नसु मोन वारो लेगिबा but सी मैम संग सी the government of India is responsible सी मैम संग सी main culprit is the government of India अदु ngasi अखोई ना Sigi मैम sigi junctures the hoi sigi debate haga the ngasi discussions is try to focus on so my papers that not much is written but behind this akazu ba hingi decision se yam hen provocative oi bai bu sine either so mo action na hinga dum provocative or kani NT ke no ne na kari akhoi gi akhoi gi NT ke no haida akhoi reservation gi den tawbu mayam do it was just a general tribal mayam punjal solidarity march haibani Surasampur why it all started in Surasampur not elsewhere tribal mayam to play right see mayam sing see do di somewhere anything can to we aba but si PRC khudong chab lorga taking advantage of the state high direction status of PRC to risidi ngasi akhoi gi MLA khangde ama khang si moina mogi moi pujai chai no si moi ke power se sir to amdre si khudong chab si lorga government of India da moina angap phana pressure ta horoga moi demand do khra negotiate to yagadra gaina du gi language bo reflect to male aduna idea I want the government of India da tong mada talk to ninge because June 18 face to grabni will be 100,000 times worse than June 18 I warning to government of India da
Okay, hena sathi ba June 18
no akoi June 18 yam pikre ko thoda ka doise acha uke no ne ba akoi jati kande yadi it's a survival threat the existential crisis ne akoi gi kuki jo mapani lakpo me amoi lei lei tabai khang Manipur akoi han lei lerko me indigenous population they would protect to dia right ya da lei gere lei ro akoi to protect to dia the constitution akoi protect to ne ham to ro di akoi the constitution yaw gera yaw ro ra akoi de akoi defend to utai ba
Okay, June 18 gi 2021 gi matam du dadi 2001 gi matam du dadi only ngasai gi ceasefire du without territorial limit ta channel kani even Manipur da hobu channel kani have you du yaning da na yam chauba massive outrage am laktana maduri misi mena mam yauri bani aduna hojikti Manipur gi division gi wapam laktar ga de madudi yam sathi makal gi consequence oigena have but having said so tang tara ga mari dasu akoi BJP in charge MP Sambit Patrana Manipur gi territorial integrity di kahaloi I repeat we will not compromise the territorial integrity of Manipur na anirak se underline tor underscore tor ga wapam se thamgi wapam na singu mayam dileri adu now koi comprehensive political roadmap amgi wapam se palabani na what kind of comprehensive political roadmap for peace and justice have you hum dilak tore aduga negotiated settlement amagi makha da have ni adu sta negotiation to no bakara leiduri demand su mayam am le renga sagi UT gi wapam with legislature aduna Manipur gi lam se kahan bayaro have you hum su chauna nakal am da lei bani na negotiate tor matam da party hum de le center le re aduga hujik tonga tonga no demand tali bakangu sine aduga demand ta utaba Manipur kahan bayaro have sine sigi negotiated oiba settlement sena kari oidori ba aduga maduda based over road map sena kari oidori ba adu su political oiba habigi wahang duni hojik se thamuba demand ama chauna lerimne demand to phangna ba koi sir maning haloi habigi wafam amadi legi adu hojikti suspended enemies na ta PR se labani na ada idu ta kitang maning hallakpa na trang sai habi change of heart to lakpagi wafam sing si laktana kitang makoi su considerate warakpagi mong oina yengba yari bra kamai thambia to
sigi se adum aina sahaja budom masi yam ka hena koina tai natabida
atu negotiated settlement kari hoge to rige political road map se kamai lagto na habidu
adu jo koi tamanan hai do honest lies to the government of India
yes
nobody else because huja aina sai hai ba koi gi sigi conflict natra crisis situation sida engon hangbiro COCOMI has nothing to seek from the government of India instead of masagi moigi leidiba administrative lapses igi leidiba asoi ngam yam si himdo lebak sing sagi kitang secure in lebi anana ba haibu natana koi mitei gi CPU si to view hai koi da leiti ba nan na de koi ram khasa thani se koi da we have no agenda at all but agenda leidiba kanghu duna moidi they keep pursuing their agenda from one level to another yan han ban hawai koi gi kuki gi khulai pai ba sing han ba tholo matam da ngasi mayam ne yamna unari ba silent hockey masana magi exclusive interview ni ma ke hai moina kulai pai ba link khalai sidi just to defend their villages from the aggression of NSN IM hiding ne akoi di only village defense tong na bagi linkalak group ni we are not anti India, we are not going to wage war against the Indian Union and hiding ne ba adai sum tam da upgrade tor paduna adaki irang sida su moina haire si krai de yore ne separate administration na moina hairam basi ITLF ki spokesperson amana national media interview to munda what do you mean by separate administration actually in high kanda he have no answer answer leram deva kumo yadrini then do you mean the union territory no do you mean the separate state no we are yet to come to a particular demand and hairam neva areshum tor last the separate administration with legislature
duty
with legislature union territory with legislature in Puducherry model adu model kai under article 237 kari 239 pa haraga potu yamna malhalaga admaina upgrade tawthoraga hojiksi moina sigi posi demand tori ate kemte ginate moina occupy tawshalaga leigriba illegally illegitimately occupy tawshaliba areas me amse masi secure tawmo masi legitimize tawno no honara kone adu khoi khangdaba nate na government of India da khoi hanjan madu khoi hairabani na so moina madu handle to jaga dong ne
right
adu handle to bio ba kaim kai de ba adu ka some koi gi samit patra na high griba Manipur gi territorial integrity si at any cost compromise to roi hai ba sigi wafam se koi fully koi madu ka heta re koi endorse to wi appreciate to wi adu masi territorial integrity khada da fix to bi ganu koi gi administrative integrity si so intact le ga da bani manam di Manipur gi leriba idea si existence of the states is defined by the administration.
Yes.
It's not by the territory. Territory to the India ki
sharing of resources.
Yeah. Adu ki port mein amdu sharing of resources la ka do ni. Si ki port mein amsi punna tu ni yeng du ni koina idea of Manipur na hijari se. Lamsi da inhibit to biri ba population sina whole state si da lejari ba magi administration magi resources punna magsi share to raga punna groom to minaraga punna grow to minabudune.
Right.
Adu ki idea do at any cost compromise to we are adu magna ikoina mafam asida pikraba jaga sida sangraba chahi lising manga taruki civilization ama akoini hingaga lakrise akogi ching amadi tampak ani gi magi ecological balance to neba adu balance to ngasi immigrant group amnal changjen khrakanda thugai ra ineba akogi ching da deforestation toropoduna flash flood mudslide thole ineba climate change la ineba sigi impact mayam si yengdabe aroba si sum chathara di taw lokak kangduini lokak kang ba haisi Manipur gi whole ecosystem gi magi si warehouse ni asi na loy effect torok da koi punamak si natural disaster tholaga akoi si loy displaced torok doine ba mafam se koi desert olak ya si umba severe oiba issue mayam se si government of India na khangbi ga dawne ba aduna adung ba por mayam du India government munni yeng du sangi adu dani koina highlight tawro tawro mo de acknowledge to honingi se adu poto acknowledge tawdana sum leibaduna potsi ka hetare phibam mamde phibam mamda sum phibam sokshan belon sum changjen gidana last potsi koigi irreversible oiba state amada su europe yae adu mo poto tawdring da kitang phajana tawbiyo haibani aduna kai hetare demand du di pangtok tawro yae everybody has a right to demand anything but it honest lies to the government who is going to decide on that. And this decision law matamda akoina hijack report me amsi loina mak incorporate tawraga madu consider tawrakanda every decision should be correct in letter and spirit. Tamo.
Yeah.
Now katang nang law da chume da amadu chume hamni yaro in spirit di kamai leke.
Yes.
Moina masi sidai da si jo ko dum nai biya ba. Comprehensive political road map haise in spirit ta kari no. In letter da kari mo hening is negotiated settlement haise kari no. Kana negotiate tawdino in what terms what is actually that's going to negotiate karino masi give and take tawdori bra lay yon bra karino negotiation is kari the cookie jo group ka India government negotiate tawdu se kaino
yes
what lies there the constitution itself is so complete constitution is we loin decide to jaga ne there is nothing to negotiate at all can you negotiate with the constitution adu karino negotiate tawdu se negotiate tawdu na te justice deliver tawdu ba aduga kai hetare koigi law and order si maintain to bi go restore to go ba then security of the sagi citizen madu ensure to go ba adu podu tora kanda mathana mai sense lak go po ne ba hai ri po me am du breakdown to ko dagi ne ba tholok ba different form of magi masak me am tholok se even koigi village volunteers ai ngasi so governor na da haijer mani state ki leiba security arrangement na ekoi ki vulnerable villages me am do protect tongam gidre
adudai thorokib
then survival instinct ne ma masas defend to the altabani na they hold up arms and defend themselves. So who is responsible for our youths to hold up arms?
Yes.
It is the
state.
It is the failure of your state security measures. Adu nang ngasi mano moy da mu nang okhalaga mu illegal ne na natraga criminal ne hai biya bra. Of course moy na criminal crime commit or magadi criminal act commit or that's a different thing. Adu taru talk riba thodok tu adu ni adu matam du da mind talk ibne adu ngasi noina peace and security do restore tora kanda kulai pare su ko je chapu di akoi na su madu
Yes.
akoi na su acknowledge tora akoi su madu endorse tora noina su tawon thokte adu gi di mai process am lakani na akoi dum haije bane masi both side ama khaki wari na tana both side ta do si effectively to view
Yes.
other side ta kari thoi ge have sa akoi gi songi media sin access to ngamdre aduna sagi censored information kar tholok banatana original information tholok tabanina what's going on other side is completely in the dark aduna adu dark ta leibani sona kan gi people sing na somda da ekoi security gi measures ye lokar powing ga asomna kaim to do man bu su yai adu nakhoi gi state ki agency sing na adagi
locally
routine release of
Briefing do.
briefing to bureau information share to bureau
briefing.
so that the larger population can understand what's actually going on either side adu khangna raka di state na my security measures in fadana local matam da everyone will cooperate
restore tor we peace ka so
exactly adu gi pot su to view has ai fadana koi thamjaram bane ba so those are the ideas and adom da sakada mani there is nothing to negotiate with the government and a group of people the only thing that can be done is to restore law and order to ensure security of the people aduga displaced orga lady sing say this is absolutely against the spirit of the constitution fundamental rights me am do tha kunga mathoi si guarantee to bungam drabani so this is one of the most severe constitutional crisis from the MLA me am sarkar sing on the constitutional crisis duga sigi
dimension do kene
public
citizen na
right phangdabu me
mayum da leingam da ba tha kun mathoi secure to ngam da le pa se this is more severe masi thuna ensure to view hai base sigi demand si sakka do
PR da di fundamental rights curtail to de
obviously
emergency
Yes.
emergency
Yes, aduna hojik hai tare athubida hojik leiriba situation asida miyam gi rights sing hate fundamental rights sing adu ensure to we by the particularly state ki machineries mayam ama lai habasi masi ningthi na khangan bhai tar madu ningthi uthokpa mathak ta aduna uthobi base not only valley khata da utpani habasi na tabat ching da su uthokpa du uthoi badu uthoi habasi khangan bhai ta nakal ani mak ta khan lagadi okay ningthi na कोई लेंगा ना लो एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसी में आमना एनफोर्स तो है बसी लागता रहे तो मियाम से कॉन्फिडेंस लाकनी है तो गतम तो ना पीस एंड हार्मनी से हंजल लकनी है वो हम दुनिया दुगो से तो नेगोशिएट तो नहीं है क्या हम तो लेती है कि वो हमने जो हम लड़ी है तो ना ऑनेस्ट लाइज ऑन सेंटर है तार सेंटर तो लोई ले रहे हैं तो वो सेंटर ना करम उमंग तो तर्क तो के है तो दी यंग बतारी हो जिपाओगी ओइ नदी only press release ama kaktani adu press release si yamna positive oiba note ama da thole adu positive oiba wahi mayam si manung da ngasai ge negative connotation mayam am su yaw bra have su we all need to track have the track taruga leibudi mathau tagani have ge notes da ngasi gi tamari files ge edition se matang shol chinjarge ngasi ge edition se mapung phan ge da mukta za homework porovis da mukta sa chari appreciate you joining you dona name ru pun amru ngasi ge edition se karam to bi ge SKTV Manipur gi tongan ba social media handles sing da join to bi ga comment amadi feedback tha bir payagani. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us from the other side of the screen. Until next time, this is NONGTHOMBAM signing off. KHURAIJAM.